What's up guys? For today's video I got a Palace Adidas collaboration unboxing. This was the most recent of the Palace and Adidas collabs. I think it's part of the Ultimo collection if I am correct. I'm not entirely sure on that, but I think that's what it is. And anyways, this will be my first Tri-Ferg, so that's dope, spoiler alert. But from the box and what came out, you can probably already guess what I got. And I'm super hyped on this. This is for the personal collection. When I first seen the lookbook, I just knew I had to have this. And I was able to get a couple things from it, so that's nice. I'm getting better at Palace, because from the first Palace videos, they were kind of lacking. So I'm finally getting better at learning how to cop, because it's nothing like Supreme. Supreme is way easier, but Palace I'm getting there. So first up, I opened the box, and we got the UPS thing. And then, what should I do first? I'm gonna do the shirt first. I'm gonna save the best item for last, and what I think the best item is. But right here in this nice packaging, I'm kind of surprised it's not with like the Tri-Ferg on the bag. Normally that's how it comes, but I guess for this it's not. But it's really nicely wrapped. I will bust it out. I'm probably gonna sell this, but I'm gonna try to keep it in mint condition. But I'll still show you what it looks like, because I know I've kind of been lacking too on showing you guys everything that I get. But when you unfold it, this quality is insane. I've honestly never felt any shirt like this in my life. This feels really nice. Probably an Adidas blank, because it doesn't really feel like Palace. I wish you guys could feel this though. It's not a jersey. I know a lot of people thought it was a jersey, because I've seen on Instagram people were asking who got the Palace Adidas jersey. I really wouldn't consider this a jersey. It does not feel like a jersey. It's more of a shirt. Here you go. Got the nice Tri-Ferg, and I know this isn't like a real Tri-Ferg, like that's all it is, but this is my first Palace Tri-Ferg. I'm thrilled I got this. And I got it in the navy blue colorway. I think it came in 2 colorways. Has the black on the collar, the 3 stripes on the side, and then the back. Back is pretty dope. I like the color scheme. I'm still on the fence on if I like it though. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep it for the personal, but it says Adidas and Palace has the P right here, and I think this is someone like hiking up a mountain. I might have just made that up, I don't know. But this is still sick. I love the colors they chose, and it looks really good on the navy, and don't really have much more to say about this, but it is sick. I only got one more item. It's another light weekend Palace. It's not like Supreme. Well, actually, even with Supreme, I've been pretty light. But let's see what else is in the box. Before, no Palace sticker. The return. Oh, I did get one Palace sticker. It's the white one. They've been giving these out lately. I have not got a black one since I think my first Palace package. Hopefully I get a black one soon. But here it is, guys. Are you ready for this? The Palace Adidas soccer ball. This is so sick. This is for the personal collection. I need to take it out of the plastic, but I kind of want to keep it in this because I want to put it on one of my shelves, but it's just going to roll off. So I'm wondering if I can take it out of the package without destroying the package. All right, I think I can. Oh yeah, it just opens right up like this. Wow, I just did that whole thing. You guys couldn't see that, so I do apologize. But here it is, the soccer ball, nicely wrapped, and feels just like a regular soccer ball. I haven't really felt a soccer ball in years, but this is what I assume a regular soccer ball feels like. Has the nice fire red Adidas logo, and then the Palace London with the Palace Tri-Ferg just all over. And that's it. There's nothing else on it. I got it in the black and white colorway. It came in like a highlighter yellow colorway too, but I got the black and white. I figured this one looks a lot better. Hopefully you can see that. And yes, I did get a new camera. This is my first video filming on it. I know a few videos ago I said I got a new camera, but I don't have that camera anymore. I wasn't really feeling it. The video quality was insane, but I just really wasn't feeling it. I decided to go back to my Canon ways for time being. So hopefully everything sounds good. Hopefully everything looks good. But enough about the camera. I just realized though I have a size 5. I didn't know if this came in different sizes, but I just added it to my cart. There may have been a size on it, I don't know, but this is a size 5 for anyone wondering. And this is just going right on the shelf. I did get a bunch of FTP, and that's on its way, so the whole shelf's kind of under construction right now until I get all my new accessories in. But this is going up on there for sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a really short Palace one. I got a ton of other Supreme and Palace videos, so make sure you go check all of those out, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.